All new details about Apple's latest iPad lineup have just been revealed. Apple has introduced two exciting new models: the iPad Air featuring the M3 chip, and an updated entry-level iPad with the A16 Bionic chip. The iPad Air now comes in two sizes, 11-inch and a brand new 13-inch version, offering a bigger display for those who need extra screen space. Powered by the M3 chip, which includes an 8-core CPU and a 9-core GPU, this iPad Air delivers incredible performance, perfect for multitasking, gaming, and even professional creative work. Apple claims the M3 chip makes the new iPad Air up to 60% faster than its predecessor, bringing it closer to the iPad Pro lineup in terms of speed and power. The A16 Bionic-powered standard iPad also gets a significant upgrade, boasting a 30% performance improvement over the previous generation while maintaining the same sleek, lightweight design. The entry-level iPad now starts with 128 GB of storage, giving users more space for apps, media, and documents. Both models come in a range of stunning colors: space gray, blue, purple, and starlight for the Air, while the standard iPad is available in blue, pink, silver, and yellow. Pre-orders for both models began on March 4th, and they will be available in stores starting March 12th. Connectivity-wise, both devices support Wi-Fi 6E for faster wireless speeds and lower latency. Cellular models are also available, featuring 5G connectivity for ultra-fast browsing and streaming on the go. Apple has enhanced the camera system on both devices, with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera that now supports center stage for more natural video calls, and a 12-megapixel rear camera capable of capturing sharp images and recording 4K videos. In terms of software and AI, the new iPads run iPadOS 17, featuring improved multitasking with Stage Manager, better Apple Pencil integration, and enhanced AI-powered features, including live text and improved Siri functionality. Apple is also focusing on sustainability, designing these iPads with 30% recycled content, including 100% recycled aluminum enclosures and recycled rare earth elements in all magnets. Pricing for the iPad Air starts at $599 for the 11-inch model and $790 for the 13-inch model, while the new standard iPad starts at an affordable $349. With a balanced mix of power, affordability, and innovative features, the new iPads cater to both professionals and casual users. Whether you're a student looking for a reliable tablet or a creative professional needing a powerful device, Apple's latest iPads offer something for everyone. Stay tuned for more in-depth coverage and comparisons here on TechVibe.